वेलकम टू केसी स्टडी सर्कल। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। तो कैसे हो आप लोग? मेरा नाम है प्रज्ञेश और मैं आज आपको 8 से 14 नवंबर के करंट अफेयर को करवाने वाला हूँ। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्विक रिवीजन रहेगा, ठीक है, फास्ट रहेगा। ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको करवा चुका हूँ, तो यहाँ ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत नहीं। और यहाँ 15 नवंबर के भी करंट अफेयर इंक्लूड है। तो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में गाइस। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में क्या है देखो। थॉट ऑफ द डे। जितना कठिन संघर्ष होगा, जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी। बोलना क्या चाहता है? आपको पता है आयता आयता पे रायता, आयत्या आयत्या पे रायता, है ना? इसका मतलब क्या होता है पता है ना? आयता पे रायता मतलब बना बनाया नहीं, ठीक है। जिनको बना बनाया मिलता है ना, उस उसको कोई कदर नहीं रहती। जिनको बना बनाया सब मिलता है ना, उनको कुछ कदर नहीं रहता। बट जो संघर्ष करके दिन रात मेहनत करके एक एक पल को, एक एक सेकंड को यूटिलाइज करके, खुद से लड़के भूखा रह के प्यासा रह के जो वो गढ़ बनाता है ना, उसमें बात ही कुछ और है। और जिनको बना बनाया मिलता है सब कुछ आयते, तभी भी उनको 1% की कदर नहीं होती है गाइस। तो जितना ज्यादा कठिन संघर्ष होगा उतना माहौल करोगे जिंदगी में। तुम देखते रहो, हिस्ट्री उठा के देख लो, जितना ज्यादा लोगों ने मेहनत किए होंगे उतना वो बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और बहुत ही जिन्होंने उनका ड्रीम कंप्लीट हुआ है। और बाकी के मैक्सिमम लोग देखो, जिनके सब कुछ परफेक्ट है, वो घर में बैठे आयते पे रायता मिलता है, खाता है और माहौल करते हैं। ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं करना है गाइस। ठीक है, बहुत ड्रेस्टिकली पूरी दुनिया चेंज हो रही है। दुनिया के हिसाब से अपने को चेंज होना पड़ेगा, है ना? पैसे नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, मेहनत तो कर सकते हो, स्किल तो बढ़ा सकते हो, मिलेगा, जरूर मिलेगा। मेहनत करते रहो, आपने जो सोचा है वो जरूर मिलेगा। तो चलते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट स्लाइड के ऊपर। ओके, पहला क्वेश्चन देखो। पहला क्वेश्चन है, इंडिया फर्स्ट रूफटॉप ड्राइव इन थिएटर लॉन्च इन डैश। बोलना क्या चाहता है? इंडिया का पहला रूफटॉप ड्राइव इन थिएटर कहां पे लॉन्च किया है? द आंसर इज मुंबई। द आंसर इज मुंबई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which country has announced that they has stopped providing services in mainland China with effect from the November 1, 2020? The answer is Yahoo. So Yahoo country has announced that they has stopped providing the services in the mainland China with effect from the November 1, 2021. Next question. Which of the following company recently launched tokenization solution Safeguard to help users meet RBI norms? The answer is PhonePe. So PhonePe company recently launched tokenization solution Safeguard to help users meet RBI norms. Next question. Indian box dash managed to clinch bronze medal at the 2021 AIBA Men's World Boxing Championship. The answer is Akash Kumar. So, Akash Kumar, the Indian boxer, managed to clinch bronze medal at the 2021 AIBA Men's World Boxing Championship. Next question. Next, the International Day for Preventing the Exploitation of the Environment in War and Armed Conflict is an international day observed annually on dash. The answer is 6 November. Next question. Who is author of a new book titled The Sage with Two Horns, Unusual Tales from Mythology? The answer is Sudha Murthy. So, Sudha Murthy is the author of the new book titled The Series of Two Horns, Unusual Tales from the Mythology. Next question. On which day National Cancer Awareness Day is observed every year? The answer is 7 November. On 7 November, National Cancer Awareness Day observed every year. Next question. Next, recently, which of the following country approved the world first oral pill to treat COVID-19? The answer is the answer is Britain. So Britain country approved the world's first oral pill to treat COVID-19. Next, who among the following had inaugurated the Advanced 650 teraflops supercomputing facility at the National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute at Mohali, Punjab? The answer is Jitendra Singh. So Jitendra Singh has inaugurated the Advanced 650 teraflop supercomputing facility at the National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute at Mohali, Punjab. Next question. Leading stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange has collaborated with which bank to further encourage and promote the listing of startups and small and medium enterprises across India? The answer is HDFC Bank. So, leading stock exchange BSE has collaborated with HDFC Bank to further encourage and promote the listing of the startups and small and medium enterprises across India. Next question. The Asian Development Bank has approved a $61 million loan for development of urban areas in which city? The answer is Agartala. So, Asian Development Bank has approved $61 million loan for development of urban areas in Agartala, Tripura. Next question. Desert Warrior 2-day joint exercise was recently conducted between India and which country? The answer is Egypt. So, Desert Warrior 2-day joint exercise was recently conducted between India and Egypt. Next question. Indian Air Force Mirage 2000 aircraft squadron is taking part in a Blue Flag 2021 international exercise. The exercise was launched in which country? The answer is Israel. Next question. Which state of UT government has recently decided to declare 10th November as a public holiday on account of Chhath Puja? The answer is Delhi. Next question. TCI Cold Chain Solution, a unit of Transport Corporation of India, has joined hands with which company to form a joint venture to tap India's growing demand for temperature e-control logistic solution? The answer is Mitsui and Co Limited. Next question. Who among the following has authored a new book titled The Cinema of Satyajit Ray? The answer is Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया हूं, ये बहुत ही फास्ट एंड क्विक रिवीजन है क्योंकि 8 से 14 15 नवंबर की अपने को करंट अफेयर करंट लगभग 200 क्वेश्चन है। कितने क्वेश्चन है? 200 क्वेश्चन। तो आपको पता है कि 200 क्वेश्चन एक ही वीडियो में बनाए तो टाइम बहुत ज्यादा लगेगा, और आपका एक क्विक रिवीजन है तो आपका भी टाइम सेव होगा क्योंकि इसके ऑलरेडी मैंने वीडियो बना चुका हूँ, तो आप देख सकते हो डिटेल में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख, which country has successfully launched a Gongmu and Earth Science satellite? The answer is China. Next question. Which of the following reasons All India Radio has launched Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in its premises? The answer is Kargil. Next question. Which country would not attend the Delhi Regional Security Dialogue on Afghanistan? The answer is Pakistan. Next question. Which among the following film would be the first movie to be the display at Mumbai Geo Drive in theater? The answer is Suryavanshi. Next question. How many feature films have been totally selected to be screened during the International Film Festival of India in Goa? The answer is 24. Next question. IRCTC has partnered with which of the following to provide the passengers with a greater trust in communication? The answer is Truecaller. Next question. According to the Central Pollution Control Board, what is the recorded overall air quality index of the national capital Delhi? The answer is 448. Next question. Recently, India's largest landfill gas to compress the biogas plants has been launched by Ramki Enviro Engineers Limited in which of the following city? The answer is Hyderabad. Next question. Which of the following country has named its native long-tailed bat as a bird of the year 2021? The answer is New Zealand. Next question. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has dedicated Sardar Patel Leadership Center to the nation in. The answer is मसूरी, उत्तराखंड के मसूरी। तो उत्तराखंड के मसूरी में यूनियन मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह इन्होंने सरदार पटेल लीडरशिप सेंटर को ओपन किया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, which of the following banks has entered into bank assurance partnership with the Aditya Birla Health Insurance? The answer is Federal Bank. Next question. Which of the following states has launched the mobile app eSarkar on the pilot basis to make the paperless administrative works? The answer is Gujarat. Next question. We, with the inclusion of Manjusha Chitrakala, which of the following has become the only district in Bihar with the 4 GI tax items? The answer is Bhagalpur. Next question. Which of the following state has launched Mukhyamantri Durghatna Bima Yojana for unorganized sector workers? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Lovlina Borgohain has been honored with the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021. She is related to which of the following sport? The answer is boxing. Next question. Which of the following state government has set up the first special purpose vehicle to manage National Conservation Mission? The answer is Government of Tamil Nadu. Next question. How many scientists from the scientist institutions across India have been awarded Swarna Jayanti Fellowship? The answer is 17 scientists. 17 scientists. Next question. Which day is celebrated all over the India on 10th November? The answer is Transportation Day. Next question. Which of the following state has announced to organize Konkan 2021 conference on November 12 to prevent the cyber security and hacking? The answer is Kerala. Next question. Which city of India has recently been included in UNESCO's Creative City Network? The answer is Srinagar. Next question. Name the Indian cricket player who recently got appointed as a brand ambassador for My 11 Circle. The answer is Mohammad Siraj. Next question. Which Bollywood actor was appointed as a brand ambassador for MV India? The answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Next question. In November 2021, Bandhan Bank appointed Zubeen Garg as its brand ambassador for which state? The answer is Assam. Next question. Which state government signed an MOU with World Bank for the rupees 770 crore loan to promote the river transportation? The answer is Assam. Assam. Next question. Brickwork Rating is a SEBI registered credit rating agency with the headquarters at. The answer is Bangalore. Next question. What is the theme of this year's cyber security conference? Konkan. The answer is improvise, adopt and overcome. Is a theme of Konkan to be celebrated in this year for cyber security conference, and this Konkan conference is held in Kerala. Okay, next question. Who have clinched the women's doubles title in the WTT Contender tournament? The answer is Manika Batra and Archana Girish Kamat. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the PTC India Limited? The answer is Rajiv Kumar Mishra. Next question. Sankalp Gupta has become the India's dash grandmaster. The answer is 71st grandmaster. Next question. Which edition of Cybersecurity Conference Konkan will be held virtually from November 10 to 13? The answer is 14th edition. Next question. 13-year-old Tajmul Islam won gold medal in World Kickboxing Championship recently. She is native of. The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Who is the author of the new book titled An Economics at Home and Abroad, a Personal Journey? The answer is Sankaracharya. Next question. Which country has launched world first Earth science satellite Gongmu or SDG Sat-1? The answer is China. Next question. Who has won the 2021 Mexico City Grand Prix held at the Autodromo Hermanos Rodriguez in Mexico City? The answer is Max Verstappen. नेक्स्ट देखो, अब तक के टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन हुए गाइस। आप खुद देखो कि 50 आउट ऑफ कितने मिले हैं आपको। अगर 50 पे के 50 मिले होंगे तो दैट्स वेरी गुड, साउंड इज गुड, आप परफेक्ट वे में जा रहे हो। अगर 50 पे से कम मिल रहे हैं तो आपको प्रैक्टिस की बहुत जरूरत है, रिपीटेशन की बहुत जरूरत है ना। करंट अफेयर ऐसा एक सब्जेक्ट है जो तुमको बार बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा, बार बार पढ़ना। तब जाके बनता है, अदरवाइज एक दो महीने में नहीं बनते, है ना। काफी सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि पहले प्री क्रैक करो, देन उसके बाद मेंस में करंट अफेयर पढ़ना, तो उनको भाई जॉब नहीं लगती। पहले ही बता दे रहा हूँ, करंट अफेयर को डेली पढ़ना है, वीकली पढ़ना है, मंथली पढ़ना है, याद रखना है। तो चलते हैं गाइस क्वेश्चन के ऊपर डायरेक्टली। पीएम मोदी dedicates to nation multiple national highway and road projects for boosting connectivity to the Pandharpur in Dash. The answer is Maharashtra. Next question. Which edition of Goa Maritime Conclave 2021 has been organized by the Indian Navy and the Naval War College Goa? The answer is third edition. Next question. GDP growth rate of India in financial year 2022 as per the Brickwork rating, the answer is 10 to 10.5%. Next question. In India, Dash is celebrated as National Legal Service Day every year by all legal service authorities. The answer is 9th November. Next question. Eastern West Khasi Hills District is a newly launched district in which state? The answer is Meghalaya. Next question. Who among these has been awarded as Players of the Month for October? The answer is Asif Ali and Laura Delaney. आसिफ अली ये पाकिस्तान के हैं, लोरा डिलेनी आइसलैंड के। इंपॉर्टेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Junio has tied up with which of the following debit card issuer for pre-teens and teenagers? The answer is RuPay. Next question. Who has appointed the Spaniard Daniel Del Valle as the High Representative for Youth? The answer is United Nations Commission on Human Rights, UNCHR, United Nations Commission on Human Rights, has appointed Spaniard Daniel Del Valle as the High Representative for Youth. Next question. On which day, World Science Day for Peace and Development is celebrated every year? The answer is 10th November. Next question. Who is the author of the new book titled Modern India for Civil Services and Other Competitive Examination? The answer is Poonam Dalal Dahiya. Next question. Reserve Bank of India has launched its first global hackathon named. The answer is Harbinger 2021. Next question. Who has been re-elected as the president of International Gymnastic Federation? The answer is Morinari Watanabe. Next question. What was the rank of India out of the 30 countries in the first edition of the Global Drug Policy Index? The answer is 18. Next. IBM Corporation has launched a client innovation center in which of the following city? The answer is Mysuru. Next. Which state became first Indian state to approve the tissue culture based sheet potato rolls 2021 to develop as a standard potato sheet center? The answer is Punjab. Next. With which country India's DRDO and DDR&D have signed an agreement on technical cooperation? The answer is Israel. Next, President Ramnath Kovind has conferred the standard title of the rank of Honorary General of the Indian Army to Prabhu Ram Sharma, the army chief of which country? The answer is Nepal. Next, which of the following department has started the week-long Daily Law on Wheels campaign? The answer is Department of Justice. Next, which day is celebrated all over India on 11th November? The answer is National Education Day. Next, Indian Navy has recently got the fourth Scorpene submarine Vela under which project? The answer is Project 75. Next, in which time the Union Minister of Government of India, Dr. Jitendra Singh, has recently started the mentorship program for young innovators? The answer is first time. Next, the central government has recently appointed Vice Admiral R. Hari Kumar as next chief of which army? The answer is Indian Army. Next, which ministry notified minerals concessions Fourth Amendment Rules 2021 to amend the Mineral Concession Rules of 2026? The answer is Ministry of Mines. Next, which union territory government launched the Shramik Mitra scheme for construction workers? The answer is Delhi government. Next, which city of India is known as City of Rallies? The answer is Delhi. Next, who among the following has been appointed as new Director General of NDRF, National Disaster Risk Force? The answer is Atul Karwal. Next, a book titled Nehru The Debates That Defined India is co-authored by? The answer is Tripur Daman Singh and Adil Hassan Hussain. So Tripur Daman Singh and Adil Hussain is a co-author by Nehru The Debates That Defined India. Next, who among the following Indian has bagged two gold medals in International Shooting Sport Federation President's Cup? The answer is Manu Bhaker. Next, USA becomes dash member country of International Solar Alliance. The answer is 101. Next, Koneru Ramakrishnan Rao passed away recently. He was an. The answer is all of the above. She is educationist, psychologist, philosopher and teacher, all-rounder person, Koneru Ramakrishnan Rao. The answer is all of the above. Next, who is the author of the new book Finding a Straight Line Between the Twists and Turns, an imperfect, yet honest reflection on the Indian tax landscape? The answer is Ashim Chawla. Ashim Chawla is the author of Finding the Straight Line Between the Twist and Trust. Next, who is the author of a new book Finding a Straight Line Between Twist and Turns? डबल क्वेश्चन आया, इसका भी आंसर है असीम चावला. Next, who among the following has won his record 37 master title at Paris, France? The answer is Novak Djokovic. Next, name the author of the book Sunrise over Ayodhya, Nationhood in Our Times. The answer is Salman Khurshid. Next, Danny Bravo has announced his retirement from international cricket. Which cricket team did he play for? The answer is West Bengal. Next, India's first Center for Research on Drone Technology was launched by which organization? The answer is IIT Guwahati. Next, which organization collaborated with the BBMP for a low carbon municipal solid waste management system in Bangalore? The answer is European Union. Next, which organization signed a MOU with Rashtriya Raksha University and Bhaskaracharya National Institute for Space Application and Geoinformatics to collaborate in different sector of research and development? The answer is Indian Army. Next, which police station was recognized for top 3 best performing police station in India by the Home Ministry? The answer is Bhattu Kalan Police Station, Haryana. Next, the 11th Defense Technology and the Trade Initiative group meeting was held between India in November 2021. The answer is USA. Next, which company launched Grow Your Business Hub and Grow Your Business Playback to strengthen the small business in India? The answer is Meta. Next, name the Indian cricket player who recently got appointed as a brand ambassador for Novo Nordics India. The answer is Kapil Dev. Next, who has recently appointed as the chief of the Central Industrial Security Force? The answer is Shilvardhan Singh. Next, which day is celebrated on all over the world on 12th November? The answer is World Pneumonia Day. Next, which day is celebrated all over the India on 12th November again? The answer is National Bird Day. Next, which of these state government has started anti-open burning campaign to prevent the accidents of open burning and air pollution? The answer is Delhi government. Next, who has recently started Sri Ramana Yatra special train to promote the religious tourism of the central government? The answer is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Next, the Legislative Assembly of which of the following state will host the A282 Conference of Presiding Officers? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, US Space Agency NASA has started the mission of sending the astronauts to the moon till which year? The answer is 2025. Next, तो गाइस ये थे अपने टॉप 101 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, जो नवंबर 8 से 15 के बीच के थे। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट थे, आईएमपी क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, सेकेंड वीक का। तो नवंबर के फर्स्ट वीक का भी हुआ गाइस, सेकेंड वीक के भी हुए। तो आपके पास अब तक के 200-250 क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं, ठीक है, 230 क्वेश्चन हो गए 2 वीक में, और 2 वीक में 200-300 क्वेश्चन, मतलब टॉप 450 क्वेश्चन एक महीने के होने वाले। तो सोचो, रोज देखोगे, डेली देखोगे, वीकली देखेंगे, देन मंथली देखोगे, तो कितना जबरदस्त रिवीजन होने वाला है ना। आपको रिपीटेड करना है करंट अफेयर, तब जाके होगा, ठीक है गाइज। तो ये था गाइज आज के अपने वीकली के एंड डेली के करंट अफेयर 8 से 15 नवंबर के। तो गाइज ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा तो डेफिनेटली लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को, केसीसी स्टडी सर्कल को। आपको डेफिनेटली हेल्प मिलेगा। एंड फ्यूचर के वीडियो अपडेट्स के लिए आपको बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूले, इसको दबाना ही पड़ेगा, तब जाकर आपको अपडेट मिलेगा और नए नए जो वीडियो मिलेंगे उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा। तो आपके लिए ये जरूरत है। तो गाइज मेरा नाम है प्रज्ञेश, ऐसे ही बने रहे और सबका मंगलमय हो। थैंक यू सो मच।